I'm Catherine Alford. Every day, I help people become more confident with money. That's why I'm excited to team up with Ally, because we're both committed to helping you get financially ready to buy your next home. If you've decided you want to buy your next home, it's time to check your credit report and your credit score to make sure you're in good standing before talking to lenders about a new mortgage. Next, calculate your DTI, also known as a debt-to-income ratio. This is a percentage, and you find it by dividing all your monthly debt payments by your monthly gross income. The debts that are typically included in a DTI calculation are mortgage payments, car payments, student loans, child support, personal loans, and other types of payments. Check with your lender to see which debts they include in a DTI calculation, as it might vary from lender to lender. In order to qualify for a mortgage, the max DTI you can have is typically 43%. But the lower the better to show lenders you're not too overextended with debt payments. When you're ready, the next step is to get pre-approved. You might remember this from your first home buying experience, but in case you don't, becoming pre-approved for a mortgage simply means you've gone to a mortgage lender like Ally Home Loans to seriously discuss buying a home. During this process, an Ally Home Loan expert will check your credit and verify your information. You'll share proof of your income, bank statements, past income tax returns, and more. When they receive all of that information, they're able to determine how much home you can actually afford. And to make it super easy, you can actually do this completely online with Ally's innovative digital experience. Update your application and any personal information 24/7. Then you can get pre-approved for a mortgage in as little as 3 minutes. During this process, you can also tell your Ally Home Loan expert your financial goals and ask as many questions as you like, including the type of mortgage that might work best for you, like a 15-year, 30-year fixed, or an adjustable rate. This is also a good time to ask if you have to sell your home before buying another, or what to do if your first house doesn't sell. Remember, they'll have a clear picture of all of your finances at this point and can advise you on next steps. Now, keep in mind that a pre-approval is not a promise that you'll get a home loan, but it does help when you're searching for a home. A pre-approval letter shows sellers that you're not just browsing an open house trying to score some free cookies. It lets them know you've already taken the first steps to buying a home and you're serious about the process. Once you're pre-approved and fully prepared to take on the new costs associated with your next home, it's time to sell your current home. In order to get the best price for your current home, consider investing in small upgrades where necessary, like new paint, modest landscaping, and more. The key is to show buyers a clean, bright, and uncluttered home that they can envision moving into. May the force be with you. If you have kids or pets, showings are going to be tricky, but not impossible. You can do it though. Plus, while you're selling your home, you get to do the fun task of searching for your next home. It'll be a busy time with lots of paperwork, open houses, and showings, but it'll also be exciting because you know you're on your way to your next home. Ultimately, it's not always possible to time the sale of a house just right, so it's wise to be prepared with a savings cushion with 3 to 6 months of your expenses to cover you before you embark on this journey. Just remember that the more financially ready you are, the more fun the home buying process will be. Again, I know it's not easy to wait, but if you get all your financial ducks in a row now, you could be ready to buy your next home very soon. To get started on your home buying journey, check out Ally Home Loans today. And for more financial tips, visit my blog at catherinealford.com.